Hello everybody, I hope everyone is having a great day and welcome back to my channel Sheila's Home and Beauty. Today we're going to be preparing chicken clear soup at home in Nepali style. So for that we'll be needing to boil a little bit of chicken and add a spoon of salt and let it boil for at least 30 minutes. Now as you can see, the 30 minutes are passed and the chicken is completely cooked. Just take it out of raw water and let it cool down for a minute. And you gotta shred it in this way. As you can see it, I'm using 2 forks and shredding the chicken. And after shredding this, let's get into the further process. Here I took carrots, cabbage and ginger and garlic, which are diced into small pieces. You can take vegetables of your choice. If you have beans, you can add those also. I'm not having the beans, therefore I used only carrot and cabbage. And this is diced ginger and garlic. Now let's get into the further process. Now you took the chicken broth which you have, we'll be using that only. Now add diced garlic into that chicken broth, or you can even say chicken stock. Then add ginger, and diced carrot, if you want you can also add green chili. Here we are adding green chili also because you're not gonna add anything else for spiciness. So 1 chopped chili and the cabbage. And if anyone is watching my channel for the first time, press that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified for my further videos. Actually, this is being prepared by my brother. He's the one who is preparing this soup. Now mix all the vegetables together and we have to let them cook for some time. And now this is corn flour and water mixture. You have to add them for the thickness. If you want more thickness, you can add more corn flour mixture. And mix them well. We're not going to add any artificial spices, just we're going to be needing white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper also. Here we are using white pepper. Just add a half teaspoon of white pepper. Or if you want some more spiciness, you can add more. That's with your own wish. Last, we're gonna be adding coriander leaves, which are chopped into small pieces. And the soup is ready. You also need to add the chicken while cooking only, and let them cook. After some time, the soup is ready to be served. Look how colorful it looks. Healthy and tasty chicken clear soup is ready. I hope everyone liked this video. If you liked that video, press the like button. And don't forget to share about my channel to all your friends and family. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified for my further videos. Thanks for watching.